Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again for this Thursday, 26th, I do believe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, everybody is safe, and of course you guys can get one at low cost. Not sure what this is. Oh, here we go. Got it open. Here we go. Alright, what do we have here? Ooh, another baggie. What is this? Put you guys down. And here we go. Cut going on here. It's here. Oh boy. I'm telling you, these things are very useful. I did a few already in the past. Definitely happy about these. I'll do the setup. Pretty much easy to set up. Just gotta download the program, hook it up to Alexa or Google Assistant. It is a Homecube mini smart socket. Oh, see, she's already talking. This is a two-pack set. Easy to install. That's what it looks like. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, boom, boom. Bada boom. Really nice. Nice. Kind of backwards. Maybe, oh, goes like this. Pretty cool. Homecube. Check them out, YouTubers. Take advantage of fast shipping, and Mother's Day is coming up, so you might want to pick this one up for her home. Comes in useful. All you gotta do is just telecommands, set it up using your Alexa and all that. There, easy peasy stuff right here. Then you gotta download the Smart Life app. I gotta see if my other phone is charged. I'll show you guys that in a second. But like I said, these are really helpful. I have, I don't know, quite a few actually right now. But pretty much everyone in my room is all smart plugged up now. But makes it easier. When you get older, gotta get it. There we go. Okay, my phone's loading. Just gotta sync it up. Here we go. I'm gonna plug this one in. I got an extra one. There's that piece. So there it is down there. And it's flashing. Once I whatchamacallit, get the app starting up. It's gonna be easy to set up. Really easy. Forgot what it calls. Smart Life and Home. Give it 1 second. Smart. Go check Smart Life app. There it is. So boom. There's the app. There we go. So we got the electrical outlet right there. Confirm. I gotta hide my password. And then boom. Then once you program it into this app, it'll go over to the Echo, and it'll be easier to set up doing that. So first, download it from this app, then program it through Alexa, and she'll get it going. But yeah, definitely these things are pretty sweet. I think they got different sizes, plugs, but right now I can see is that they have these. Alright, see? Bada boom. Then you could call it something, like say if it's in your spare bedroom, your TV, other stuff. But I think we should just keep it that way. Yeah, smart. No, actually, we'll call it. Oh, jeez, hold on. I'll call it something. Oh. Plug. Let's call it the plug. See how easy that was? Boom. And done. I don't know if you heard it click. But boom. There's a timer. You can have it. Statistics. Ah, that's cool. I didn't know it did that. Today, quantity. Oh, that's really cool. So check them out, YouTubers. Homecube on Amazon Prime. Get the app, Smart Life app. Look it up. Easy peasy. You guys have a good one. Be safe, and I will see you back in a few. I got another coming up. See ya.